When I think of Rahul Gandhi's visit to Odisha, three expressions come to my mind. I will qualify him as accidental politician, seasonal politician, and a political tourist. How much does Rahul Gandhi ji know about Odisha? That's the question today. Odisha, with 4.5 crore population, is being governed by the Bharatiya Janata Party for the past 1 year. We are finding our feet and we are doing good works. And in fact, very recently, Prime Minister Sahab had come and he also talked about the different kinds of works that have been done by the Odisha government in the past 1 year. And today, suddenly, after many months, Rahul Gandhi ji comes to Odisha and talks about nothing being done here, women not being safe here, and then he lambasts the present government. Now, I must tell you that we are there for only 1 year. For 25 years before the Bharatiya Janata Party, Biju Janata Dal was ruling the state. And before that, for many, many years, the Congress was ruling the state of Odisha. So I don't think the general knowledge of Rahul Gandhi pertaining to Odisha is adequate enough. So once in a while he'll come to Odisha and he will make all these statements. I don't think there is any relevance of these statements. He just wants to remain politically relevant in terms of Odisha, in terms of Bihar, and that is why he has been issuing these kinds of statements. Now, let me tell you that as we know, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. NDA currently has its government in 19 states and 2 union territories. And, people don't vote for Prime Minister Modi or the Bharatiya Janata Party just like that. They are very much impressed with the governance, with the working style of Prime Minister Modi, and we enjoy the credibility of people because of the works that have been done by Prime Minister Modi's government in the last 10 years. And I'm very, very sure, very confident, and I'm convinced that in the days to come, 1 year has passed, in the days to come in Odisha also would be doing very good works. So I think Rahul Gandhi, before making such statements in Odisha, should actually see whether he actually understands Odisha, knows the people of Odisha adequately.
Ma'am, as you said, he has made several statements. He also said that Adani is running Odisha government. How do you see that?
See, that's a refrain. Again, I will say, basically, he wants to remain relevant in the system. I have always been calling him accidental politician. I mean, he indulges in political tourism. Suddenly he realizes that he should issue some statements. He's a seasonal politician. Where was he all these months? So I think since the Bihar polls are coming in November, and we are going to be in the parliament session which starts from July 21st. Now he thinks he should remain relevant in the system, and that is why he has been making such statements. I don't think these statements mean anything. They are all baseless statements. And Rahul Gandhi ji must actually equip himself with a lot of knowledge about Odisha, about the goings on in the country before he issues such statements.